This is going to be a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake Smart 430 watt power supply. This is going to be your typical $30 to $40 power supply. We've got some media in here. We've got our power cable. We've got some zip ties, and we've got 4 mounting fasteners to mount this to the exterior of the case. Get this put to the side. And then for the power supply itself, we'll have a large 120 millimeter fan here. And then our back, we don't have any voltage selection, so it's automatically got voltage selection. Here's a quick freeze frame on its power. So right here we can tell it's got one 12-volt rail, and on that we can pull out 387 watts. And then for our 3.3 and 5 volt, which is going to be our power supply RAM, such, we have 110 watts. So overall, your 12-volt rail here, your 387 watts is going to have to handle your CPU, as well as your GPU. If you're running a decent CPU, so like an i5 and typically non-K series i7s are going to be 55 watt, so you'll end up with plus a little bit of headroom there, so about 300 watts for a GPU. If you're running a K series, typically those get up into 150-ish watts, and so you'll end up with about 200 watts for a GPU. Try to operate about 20% headroom on these for best results, but we will undo the twist tie here. We'll take a look at the cables real quick. So it's quite a mess here. We've got our large 24-pin power cable here. We've got 2 board power connectors, a 3-pin, 2 3-pin plus 1s for PCIe, so this would be for a graphics card. And then we've got some Molex connectors here for old hard drives or fans, and then we've got a bunch of SATA power connectors. We've got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 SATAs, and then an old floppy drive, I think 5 volt on these, maybe 12, and then another. So quite a selection here, probably a lot of these that you won't need anymore. And then our board power. It's a quick review of the Thermaltake Smart 430 watt power supply.